Shri Narendra Jadhav, Dr. Narendra Jadhav.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, I rise to wholeheartedly support
बड़ा है इसलिए
the
चल रहा है.
National
Look at it,
Investigative
बड़ा हो गया
Agency.
already. I have kept in mind, I'll make some observation, let him complete. What all has been suggested, we are acting accordingly only.
Sir, I rise to wholeheartedly support the National Investigative Agency Amendment Bill 2019. Sir, this bill seeks to allow the National Investigation Agency to investigate 5 additional offences by designating them as scheduled offences. I would like to focus on 2 of these 5 offences. First is cyber terrorism and second is manufacturing of prohibited arms. Sir, I commend the Honorable Home Minister for proposing to make cyber terrorism a scheduled offense under the Act. Recent trends, sir, show that cyberspace is being used as a safe haven for planning terrorist attacks. This space enables terrorists to easily find and attack targets. Terrorists use cyberspace, sir, for interaction, for communication, for infiltration, for command and control, for spreading propaganda, recruitment, and training. The nature of these horrifying threats is such that they do not require trained personnel, vehicles, weapons, or training bases. Increasing cyber terrorism is therefore posing serious threat to our national security and global peace, and that is why this bill is very important. Sir, I also welcome making manufacturing of prohibited weapons as a scheduled offense under the proposed bill. Sir, this is very important because the emerging technologies such as automated technology, particularly what is called 3D printing, actually allows printing of deadly weapons inside one's own house. And given these horrifying threats, sir, there is a genuine need to strengthen and empower the system to investigate such incidents thoroughly. That is why I support this bill. The proposed empowerment of NIA is very much needed, sir, given the sophisticated nature of terrorist crimes which leave little or no digital footprints. There again is the reason why I wholeheartedly support this bill. Finally, sir, while wholeheartedly supporting this bill, I would be failing in my duties if I do not add a word of caution. With increased powers to NIA to investigate cyber terrorism, concerns of online privacy of citizens arise. Moreover, information received from such investigation and surveillance could potentially be misused or mishandled if it were to get into wrong hands. The government must ensure, therefore, sir, that each investigation carried out by the agency is proportionate and solely focused on detecting criminal and terrorist activities. Steps also need to be taken to address the issue of accountability. With these remarks, sir, I wholeheartedly support the bill. Thank you.